extra cute and fancy today. Oh, poor dog. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trista and today is a very special day, at least for me. I turned 29 today. I'm 29 years old, almost 30. I feel like I stopped counting at 26 and I still feel like 26, I don't know. But yeah, it's my birthday today and I treated myself like big time because I bought myself an iPhone 12 Pro and those things are pretty expensive. I thought that it would be fun to unbox it with you guys, so here am I with this video. And I already waited for a few hours till the iPhone cases came in and the screen protector because I want to be really careful. And now I'm ready to unbox it, so let's do it. So this is the box that it came in. It is quite small, I must say, so that is nice. Ta-da! So now it's time for some ASMR with unwrapping this phone. Are you ready? Oof. Oh, so nice. The phone only has a little charge cable, but not a charge block. Personally, I do kind of like it because of the environment. If you already have an iPhone charger, then there is no waste. In here you find a manual, a sticker, which from my part they can totally leave that out because I won't be using it. And there is a little pin so you can change the SIM card. This is what the phone looks like. I really like the neutral gold. It is not too yellow, not too white gold. I love it. The screen is really big. It's an 6.1 inch. And yeah, up till now, I really like how it looks. I bought two cases and a screen protector, and the screen protector came with this transparent silicone case, but I also wanted to buy a white one. First, I'm going to use the wet wipe. With the sticker you can remove some dust. Then with your thumb you can remove the little air bubbles, if there are any. With the iPhone comes a little pin like this, and you can use this to change out your SIM card. With my Samsung the SIM card is over here, and I think I just have to push it. Here you go. Little drawer comes out. And there's my SIM card. The iPhone has the placing for the SIM card over here. So I'm going to take that same pin, push it in there. And then you can take out the little drawer. And that was it. Pretty easy. Okay, so now I'm going to set up my phone to my liking. I'm going to give it a little makeover. Take off all the apps that I won't be using. I am kind of a minimalist when it comes to apps and stuff like that. And I also want to give it a new look. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm done with changing the look of my phone, and I'm going to show you how I did it and kind of what you can do to change the look of your iPhone. When I unlock my iPhone, I have a little quote with "Hello beautiful." I found this image on Pinterest and just set it as my lock screen. When you swipe up, you go to my home page. Here I changed a lot of things. I changed all the icons of my apps as well as these ones. And I set it on the light mode. Let me see, when you go to display and brightness, you can choose between light and dark. I also love the dark one because it is less straining for your eyes, but for now I am keeping the light version. Besides changing the icons, I also put a little calendar in here and that same "Hello beautiful" quote. This is just the same image. When you swipe left, I have a little moon calendar, so it shows me what phase of the moon it is. This one shows me when the sun is going to set, and this is really handy when you make content and you have to be aware of daylight. A little picture of my dog Izzy and a weather forecast of my city. When you swipe right, you see all the apps that you have in your app library. And now I'm going to show you how I change the icons of my apps. First of all, I go to my app library, and the app that you need to download is Shortcut. What this app does is you kind of copy the app to your home screen and you can change the look of the app icon. So first of all, I go to all my shortcuts, then I hit the plus button, add icon, scripting, open app. Then I'm going to choose my app. I recently installed Goodreads, so I'm going to choose that one. Then hit this little icon right here with the 3 dots. Shortcut name, Goodreads, like so. Then I hit the little image right beside it. This is the icon, and I choose the brown grayish color. Then I go to glyph. And I'm going to search for an icon. You can choose objects, people, symbols. I want to look for a book, so I'm going to hit objects. Let me see if I can find a little book illustration right here. Hit done, and then add to home screen. And as you can see, it added the Goodreads shortcut. Now we're going to our home screen, and it went to the second page. I don't know why it does this, but you can just drop and drag, or drag and drop the icon to your home screen or placement where you want it. And that is how you change the icon of your apps. If you want to add any images or widgets to your home screen, you can download the app that is called Widgetsmith, I believe. This is the one. So hit Widgetsmith. You have 3 different widget sizes, a small one, a medium one, and a large widget. I'm going to show you how to do it by adding a medium widget. Just tap the widget. Here you can change the widget name. I'm just going to write down calendar, save. Here you can also change the look, default widget. There are different kind of looks. You can go for the week and the number, or you can choose a photo, just simple text, so you can write down a quote. I'm going to pick the time and locations one. Here you can change the aesthetic. As you can see, some are locked, so you have to pay for those, but others you can customize to your liking. I like a really basic and simple one, so I chose basic. If you want to change the color, you can customize the theme, tint of color. I personally like to go for gray because that is soft, but you can still read it really well. My background color is cream, but you can go for white or pink. You can choose a border. So I clicked save, then go back, save, and here's my widget. Now go to your home screen, hold it, hit the plus button, go all the way down to Widgetsmith. And here you choose the medium one, because I made a medium one. Add widget. It chose my moon phase widget, but I'm going to change that right now. Let's see, going to hit it and choose the one you would like. Here we go. This is how you made the widget. I'm going to delete it because I don't want it. The background that I used here I also found on Pinterest. It's really easy to look for it. You can go to iPhone backgrounds. There are a ton of images that you can use. Ooh, love this one. And you can easily set it to your background by clicking on it, downloading the image, then going to your photos, then hit this little button and click use as wallpaper. You can set it for your lock screen or your home screen or both. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like this video if you haven't already, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!